Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha. Do you all know Islamic ABC? Then C is for Allah, B is for Bismillah, C is for charity, D for dua, E is for Eid, F is for fasting, G is for Jannah, H for Hajj. My first Islamic ABC. Come and sing with me. I is for Iman, J is for Jannah, K is for Kaaba, L is for love, M is for masjid, N is for Niyyah, O is for oneness, P is for prayer. My first Islamic ABC. Come and sing with me. Q is for Quran, R is for Ramadan, S is for Sunnah, T is for Taqwa, U is for unity, V is for reduce, W is for you, X is for excellence, Y is for Yaqeen, Z is for Zakah. My first Islamic ABC. Come and sing with me.